Hello and welcome to the Bold Outdoors YouTube channel. Today we are at St. Vrain and Coney Flats. Such a pretty little trail. Taylor in us with his father-in-law and his 2018 Polaris RZR XP Turbo Dynamix. Be curious to see what this trail looks like. It was briefly open last year and then they closed it for, as they claim, bridge repairs. I'm not exactly sure where. Maybe they're at Camp Dick, I'm not sure. But yeah, it was basically closed all of last season. And it was, when it was open, Coney Flats was snowed out, so there's that. Had some traffic at the beginning of the trail, and it looks like I'm catching up to another group. Trail this season is definitely a lot rockier and a lot more boulders than I expect or I'm used to. That's cool. It's something I briefly said in the last video, is that the conditions in Colorado changed quite a bit actually. And normally you say that from like season to season, right? Because the trails are closed during the winter, and then the snow and ice and rain and all that stuff just wreaks havoc on the trails, and it kind of changes things. So what was once a smooth trail, you know, in 2017 is a rough trail in 2018, and it's, you know, smooth again or whatever, you know. But it can also change from weekend to weekend depending on the weather too. If you get a lot of rain, and it just washes out the road and moves stuff around. One of those situations is like the chutes on Kelly Flats. It can change that approach a lot by how much rock and whatnot goes into that crevice right before that climb. This is Timberline Falls. Not moving as quickly as it usually does. It's cool though. Hope that's coming up on camera. All right, nothing to it but to do it. Shit, that's cold. now it's the climb to Coney Flats. It's such a neat water crossing. So this section here was completely snowed out right before they closed the trail for bridge repairs or whatever they called it, and you couldn't even make it to Coney Flats. So as we wrap up this video here at Coney Flats and St. Vrain, these bumpy, rocky trails are not everyone's cup of tea, and I am one of those individuals. However, I like to do this trail at least once a year. It's good to do, especially when you take individuals out that have never been here. Again, my name is Josh. That's Taylor up ahead of us there. And this is the Bullet Outdoors YouTube channel. Try to highlight different trails. And I have videos on things to take on the trail, winching videos, toy hauler videos, product videos, kind of like product reviews and whatnot. And also different mileage reviews on the RZR, different mileage reviews on tires. So stick around. Side-by-side and UTVs are a lot of fun. And it's a neat community, so I try to put out as much information as I can, although I don't necessarily do like how-to videos, but I put the information out there and you can make your own judgment on what works for you. So again, this is Josh with Bullet Outdoors. If you like what I do, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.